ms.tinkerdoodle, where we're going to learn about art. Come on in and join me. Come on.
Hey everybody! Miss Tinkerdoodle asked me to introduce this video. It is your bonus video on how to make a tulip out of sticks. Enjoy! You will need 7 sticks for this project. 6 sticks in total for the petals, 4 that are longer, 2 that are shorter, and 1 long stick for the stem. Today we are painting our stem green. We have decided to paint our petals pink, but you can paint your flower any color you want. Now let your flower dry for at least 20 minutes. And then you can start gluing the pieces together. And there you have it. You've made your very own tulip out of sticks. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.